Hey guys, it's Mohammed from Innovative Tool and Design, and today we're going to be talking about the Magic Canopy Kit. But let's start off why this canopy is unique. Well, first thing is first is this one you can actually fold. So let's say you don't want a full canopy, you can fold it to half the size. That way you can have more storage space, then you can put more things onto the kit. Second, it still comes with everything that you wanted. First one, still have your mount bracket for your edger and your weed whacker. Still have your backpack blower. So the new things that come with this canopy kit. Well, first, the Magic trash can. Sticks on there, it's magnetic. It's really stable. You don't have to weld it onto your lawn oars anymore. It's really sturdy. It's sticking wherever you feel. Put in here, put it inside, anywhere you want. The edge right here. Thank you for listening. Make sure to check out our website, www.shoptheprotector.com. We're also on social media, have our Instagrams as well. Thank you.